We did the exact thing we tell you guys not to do. We bought an untested $100 gaming PC from a seller on eBay with zero feedback.
Is there any chance this PC will actually work, or will we have been better off just burning our money? Well, we're ready to find out, but first, a word from today's sponsor. We'd like to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Cooler Master. They sent us over their new Cooler Master GX3 Gold 850 power supply. It features a sleek, screwless design. This design not only adds to the aesthetic appeal of the power supply, but makes it incredibly clean and easy to work with. The Cooler Master GX3 Gold 850 power supply comes with an ATX 3.0 support, which ensures compatibility with a wide range of systems. Additionally, it features a durable 90-degree PCIe cable, not only for convenience, but also helps prevent normal cable wear and tear, making it more reliable and a long-lasting option. One of the standout features of this power supply is its enhanced terminal design. This design helps reduce wire and connector temperature by 5 degrees Celsius. All these innovations allow it to achieve titanium level performance under general light loads. It's worth mentioning that the Cooler Master GX3 Gold series is available in different wattages, including 850, 750, and 650. This ensures that you can choose the appropriate power supply based on your system's requirements, whether it's a high-end gaming rig or a more modest setup. If you're in the market for an exceptional power supply that combines sleek design, durability, and thermal optimization, we highly recommend checking out the Cooler Master GX3 Gold series. Visit Cooler Master's website for more information to explore their range of products. Big thanks again to Cooler Master for sponsoring today's video.
All right, guys, we have the $100 PC right here that we bought off eBay, and we're gonna open it up and see what's inside because we kind of took a risk with this thing. An FX 6300, 1050 Ti, and as you can tell, it sounds so lovely right now, but I will say, it is an acrylic side panel, so we don't have to worry about broken glass. That's a good thing, but yeah, you want your knife? You want to dive into this?
Oh, I need to show Jonas something way cooler.
Oh, wait, see how...
Oh! I'm gonna put this back. We're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. So yeah, Matt shook that box, guys, and
He almost cut himself.
I did not like what I heard, honestly. It did not sound very good. And it sounds like there's no packaging in it, like no packing material.
No, from basically what I'm seeing, I think they probably just sat the computer in there, and that's it.
Yeah.
And this, by the way, the most important part is this is from a 0-rated seller on eBay. This is the first item they sold on eBay. And we'll have some of the pictures on Screen McAllister of what the listing looked like.
We never recommend doing this, by the way. Don't buy from someone with zero feedback because there's a good chance that...
Okay, so that's how it was packaged. That's what it will be.
it couldn't get any worse.
That's what will happen while it's being shipped.
I already see like immediate damage to it. This top is like dented in. Let's get it out. Let's make sure it's not any worse.
Table for you, lift that out. Is there anything
I hear
else in the box?
screws rolling around, Matt.
So as you can see right here, CyberPower PC with Cooler Master case.
Did you see the front?
Oh man, no, the acrylic popped out. Look at there's tabs.
That's probably fixable.
I think
yeah.
it can go back in. Wow, package your PCs better than this. This
Only
is a little
one
rough.
thumb screw. I don't think people, so this is a person with no feedback.
No feedback.
They probably didn't know, but yeah, like you can't ship a piece like this. They need to be like double boxed typically and very well packed, not like just a little bit of bubble wrap. Did we get everything in here in one piece?
It's very dusty, but is the graphics card what it says it is? Because you know what, the last time we bought a PC, we didn't look at what the graphics card was.
Yeah, 1050 Ti, 4 gig.
Okay.
And it's actually Zotac, not a knockoff brand. A Turbo Link power supply. How many watts
Get a
is that?
close up on this right here. We got the Turbo Link 500 watts.
No ratings.
No ratings.
No ratings.
Not a quality power supply. The cables aren't inspiring much confidence.
That's a throwback. So an OG style cooler this isn't even one that I think came with the 6300. This looks like an aftermarket one from, does this say Miss Cool?
This looks like an old CyberPower pre-built, honestly.
Oh, where they got, it's a trade CPU probably,
Yes.
so it probably didn't come with a cooler.
Yeah, so God, there's so much dust in there, it's insane. So the listing mentioned no hard drive. They did unplug the DVD drive. Why, I don't know. But maybe they just pulled the hard drive from it because they couldn't get it working.
Now, did it say no drive or just it didn't work?
It just said needs a hard drive. That's the only thing in the description is needs a hard drive, but it's listed as for parts not working.
That means if we plug it in, we should get a display. It's just gonna say no boot device found. That's an easy fix. And at that point, for $100, we did really good. I mean, that means that we were able to get a 1050 Ti and a 6300. Not that the 6300's worth much.
Something feels weird about that. Let's grab a monitor for this because I think we need to see it turn on, not just power on. I want to see if it works.
It turns on.
Okay.
A lot of dust flew out.
I'm breathing in dust.
Usually whenever like a CPU fan or a GPU fan just stay revved as high as they are in the BIOS or boot screen, that means it's not booting. It means you're not getting any display or anything, something's wrong.
So we can try some basic stuff. We have DDR3 memory. We could try some RAM. Beyond that, we'd have to try a new GPU if the GPU doesn't work.
Motherboard would suck.
Yeah, we don't really have spare FX stuff because it's an FX 6300, but we can try some RAM. Maybe let's just take out what's in here right now and just do a stick at a time, see if there's any difference. And then from there, we'll try to go back to PC Bros and grab some sticks of memory.
Data, that RAM got hot quick. 4 GB by 8. Kind of reseated a little bit.
Okay. No, it sounds full speed right now.
Okay, I'll try the other stick of RAM.
Yeah, let's try that.
Come on, ramp down.
Please.
Come on.
Give me something.
My confidence is
Is
low.
very low. Fan's still going full speed. This doesn't have any sort of LED indicator to show if there's anything wrong with it, so we may just have a really bad system. Let's see if we kill this one.
Come on, baby.
Do something. I don't think it's going to do something. I think it did anything. Okay, do we have something we could throw the GPU into? So we have a PC that you might have seen a video on that we're going to try and swap the GPU out. Just see if we have a usable GPU. Okay, let me show you this real quick. I've been plugging and unplugging this. That is not safe.
Is the whole thing moving?
Look at it.
So yeah, this is a, what was this one, 400 bucks that we built?
400 bucks for an all new parts build. It's gonna get a different GPU now. We're gonna see. It's probably a bad board, but did we get a 1050 Ti out of it?
All right, out with the old and then with the older. All right, slightly newer build with our 1050 Ti. One thing I do like is this 1050 Ti doesn't need any external power. Uh-oh.
Do we have a 1050? Yay! All right, so graphics card works.
Graphics card's good. We can probably assume we don't have 3 bad RAM sticks. That's pretty rare. So at this point, let's try to get the cooler off and let's make sure we don't have any bent pins.
Yes.
This is an older FX processor, so we do have pins on it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this off. Easy.
Oh, and what a classic, coming right out with the cooler.
The whole entire CPU came out with the cooler. The pins look good on it though, so that's good. Let's actually, let's try to decrustify this thing real quick. That'll hold.
This is a way to do it, guys. Just leave it in the socket if you're
home. Well, we didn't have a choice. It came with us.
Yeah, that's a 6300.
Cool. We have a dilemma of, is it really worth trying to clean and repair the dents on this case just to put like a newer board and like everything? Because the 1050 Ti we know works, and that's worth money. The 1050 Ti, those still go for like 70 to 100 bucks on eBay. So now it's more of the question of what do we pair with it? And do we maybe have an FX board we can resurrect this with? Should we go look for one?
Let's just go hunting. Let's go hunting.
Let's go PC Bro shopping.
We got copyright music. Hey Google, pause.
Does anyone know if we have any FX boards?
Well, I think we may have just ended our journey.
You guys are no help. No, I'm just kidding.
Our journey may be over before it even started.
That is a B450, I think. These are, I think it's a Z490, Z390, Z490. Man, do we want to pull some parts from back here? Like,
yeah, we can try that. One other thing, I don't think it'll fix it, but we could try a different power supply with that motherboard just to see. Just do a couple other things. Take that board out and just fully eliminate it. And then if that doesn't work, then we'll just build something budget for the 1050 Ti and then go from there. But I think we should definitely 100% verify mother. I'm like 80% confident, but we'll give it another shot with a different power supply. Just test bench it. Let's just see.
Let's go back.
Okay, where is, okay, we're just gonna put this on and this is not ideal, by the way, guys, but I just wanna see if it turns on.
We know it should turn on. Just will it like,
will it actually display? It's got that plugged up.
Go ahead and get our power supply ready. So this isn't exactly an open air test. We're really just,
I don't even have the HDMI plugged up. But I don't hear it ramping down anyway, so.
I almost get the vibe like a PCI lane is bad, maybe. Or is that the CPU fan revving? Oh.
Wait, let me restart that. Okay, sorry CPU, just hold on, please. All right, let's move this over here.
Why did it happen?
Oh my gosh!
Okay, well before we draw conclusions, let's try, maybe because we reseated the GPU and the CPU.
Maybe it was just that.
Let's go back to the old power supply.
Yeah, let's try the old power supply. Oh my goodness.
Let's turn this off.
It's working!
And bloop. A nice little bloop.
Okay, now these were so much fun back in the day. Woohoo! Is the power supply, let's get the power supply plugged back in. I just want to see if it all works in its current condition. The power supply causing the problem would be very weird.
It would be.
Unless there's something like the way it's pumping power through the system with how the RAM was getting, or maybe the GPU was just not seated right.
If it doesn't work again, we do have a power supply tester. That thing's pretty cool.
So we can show you guys exactly what's wrong with it. So you can come back around on this side and let's get the grand reveal once we plug everything back in. But you know what? This PC is about to be bumping because we're gonna turn it on, it's gonna work.
Yeah. Now remember, it takes a minute.
It takes a minute. Give it a second. Wait, hold. Splash screen, please? Please, yes! All right,
That's how we do it.
So it works. That's kind of crazy, honestly. So what we're gonna need to do is obviously clean this thing up a bit because it's a little bit rough around the edges. Then all we need to do is, I guess, add like a cheap SSD.
Yeah, we need like a 240 or 512. What is this? 2.2 terabyte Infinity. What does that mean?
It means everything.
Yeah, we already have the SATA cables in, so we just need the storage. But like Matt said, this thing needs a heavy duty cleaning. And I don't even know, like, do we even do this in here? Should we go outside?
Go outside. I just realized too, we are using still the other RAM stick.
Yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can get 2 in again.
Yeah, let's put because that's the new RAM. This is the old RAM.
Yeah, okay, let's just do the original. See if the original actually works. Because otherwise we are putting money into this.
Yes.
And if we can get that RAM to work, we're not putting any money into it.
And it just works. It's just our cleaning.
Yeah.
I'm leaning towards RAM now because it has not even flashed once.
Come on, baby. Come on. Let's just put these other 2 sticks in.
Oh God, so there is something wrong, potentially. All right, let's see. Or we just like use its last 2 lives. It just booted up twice, shut down. It's like, I'm not gonna work anymore.
Well, you pushed it back for me. So this is money, guys. We have now put some money into this PC. Although there's a good chance both sticks aren't bad. It could just be one. Although we did test both of one, but maybe something else was the issue then.
Let's see. Looks like bad RAM. Yep. I'm putting money on bad RAM. It's that down bad RAM. There it goes.
It could have just been one stick that's bad, so I think we just went from 8 to 8, right? I don't know, because this says 4x8, so these might have been 2.
Was that 12?
4, but oh, maybe it was originally a 4x8 kit.
Yeah, so I think it is 8. Yeah, I think it's 8. They probably, if it's from like CyberPower, if it's the original one, I bet they probably had 4x8s and they broke the kits. So yeah, this is working, I guess. We want to clean it up first, grab an SSD, and just go from there.
Let's do it. Let's go clean it. We need to fix this panel too.
All right.
All right, you guys ready?
I'm gonna hold this down because this is gonna be a nasty one.
Ooh. Call that like good enough. It's still a little denty.
We've seen far worse.
The real question is, do we want it up or do we want it down? We have a choice.
Never looked at the back. Let me take the back panel off.
Let's see what we got in the back.
Nothing.
Oh, wow.
It's
better than I thought it would.
incredibly basic. If we can wipe it down, do some more fine-tune cleaning and like the fans and everything. But then from there, it should be good to add an SSD and play some games.
All right, guys, we're playing Apex Legends to go ahead and kick off the benchmark run, and
he was gonna show the settings.
I was going to. Here we go. 1920 by 1080. We don't have a frame rate limiter or anything on, and we're pretty much on like low settings right now because FX. What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? And it is like a little over $100 computer, so 1080p low is kind of what I expect, if not lower than 1080p. So the 1080 Ti is a good GPU still, and esports titles we shouldn't have any problems, especially in Apex, and then we'll definitely do some Fortnite as well.
Now, one thing you will notice, we do need to activate Windows since we had to do new drives.
Yes.
So easy way to do that, GVG Mall or buy one of the Windows 10 or 11 USBs from PC Bros.
PC Bros iTech. One thing too, SSDs in this, not very fast because it is SATA 2, not SATA 3. So you're not getting full SSD bandwidth speed. So there were some moments where it kind of felt like we were on a hard drive. So that's another drawback with these cheaper FX boards. There are some higher end FX boards that are SATA 3, but a lot of them are SATA 2.
So we already got that on.
Yep, so it's adapting for 60. You can just turn that on none. That's off.
Lower that, yeah. See if that helps at all.
Oh goodness. Oh goodness.
These people have lasers today, man. Dang. Also been out of
Nice. Oh man, they were like ready for you.
This PC helps me humble myself. Come on.
Whoa. There they are. Oh!
Come on. Dude, this... Get away from... Oh, I got knifed. I was like, how did I just...
Wow, did you get knifed in the back?
I think that was the end. Yeah, that was
that was Apex Legends. Wow. I'm surprised it actually ran okay. It wasn't amazing, but yeah, it worked out. Let's try Fortnite. That might be a little bit of a struggle. All right, guys, we are now in Fortnite on performance settings, medium view distance, medium textures, 100% 1080p, and we're waiting to launch into the battle bus, but right now it's working out okay. You could go on like DX11 or DX12, but honestly, with this kind of hardware, I figured performance would be the best option. But we're gonna go ahead and drop in real quick and hopefully maintain at least 60 FPS, because that's all I'm really asking for a PC over $100.
This part doesn't count though.
All right, FPS is solid. Everything looks like a bunch of blocks. This is 8 gigs of RAM in Fortnite, ladies and gentlemen. It always does this. Like, it really does that, especially on performance settings. But we're getting 100 FPS, woohoo. With a lot of stutters though, so it's not like a good 100 FPS if I'm being honest. Look like that, yep.
Oh my God.
I literally was just sitting there.
You got destroyed. Oh,
and they're dancing.
Emoting on you. They're running at you.
It's a bold bot move.
Woo.
Oh, goodness. Oh, no.
Dude, he hit, oh my God, no. He hit the shots. Holy crap.
Oh.
That guy had no HP.
That worked. All right. Oh,
dang,
again?
One.
Yeah, you better build. I keep that thing on me. Oh, hey, what's up? Oh. I had a mental block.
I think you're getting shot from the other direction.
They had 3 HP too, by the way. But you know what? Dang. That's enough Fortnite. I gotta finish eating this because it's good, and I'm gonna eat the rest of it. And we're gonna run some built-in benchmarks, some games that make sense for this PC, and then kind of just talk about our experience. And we're gonna ask you at home, after we tally up how much we spent on this, how much should we sell this PC for at PC Bros? Let's find out.
All right, guys, so we finally finished this thing and we actually got it benchmarked. We didn't have any crashing or anything, which is definitely good. We do need to activate Windows, which we'll be able to do, and that won't be too bad. But we are gonna talk about the total price of this thing and get your all's opinion on what you think we should sell it for at PC Bros.
So after doing some average price hunting, we're basically looking at about $140 to $150, just average priced. If you were to do something like this at home, you paid the $115 we did, which is the $100 plus shipping for this system, on top of the DDR3 memory and the SSD. So we want to know, what would you guys sell this PC for at PC Bros? Keep in mind, we are installing Windows 10, we are activating Windows 10, and we are offering a 1-year warranty on this PC. So let us know down below. We won't list it until this video goes live. So once you do let us know, that's what we'll sell it for. So the most upvoted comment down below will be the price. Obviously, don't do anything like free or $1. Be reasonable in the comment section down below. But yeah, let us know what you think of this kind of video, and let us know if you want to see us take more risks like this on eBay.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Like we said, guys, this will be for sale at PCBros.tech, but in the meantime, since it won't be up, make sure you check out the website for other merch, other PCs, and we have all kinds of price range when it comes to that stuff.
PCBros.tech, whether you're looking for a super cheap gaming PC or want to spend $3,000 on an epic high-end rig, head on over to PCBros.tech and use code ToastyBros2 on checkout. Save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.